Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your alumni network with Alumni Abroad, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your alumni network and its resources. Visit the official website of your alumni association. Log into your account or create a new one if necessary. Explore the directory of alumni to find members living abroad. Use filters to narrow your search by location, industry, or graduation year. Reach out via email or social media to reconnect. Craft a friendly and professional message introducing yourself. Mention your shared alma mater and any common experiences. Express your interest in connecting and learning more about their international experience. Consider scheduling a virtual coffee chat or video call. Engage in discussions about career opportunities and cultural insights. Join alumni-focused social media groups or forums. Participate in online events or webinars organized by the Alumni Network. Share your own experiences and insights to foster engagement. Encourage others to share their stories and advice as well. Collaborate on projects or initiatives to strengthen regional ties. Regularly check back for new events or opportunities. Keep your profile updated to stay visible to fellow alumni. Follow up with connections you've made to maintain the relationship. Celebrate alumni achievements and contribute to community newsletters. By actively participating, you'll help enhance the strength of your alumni network abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.